Okay? Okay? Tulong kayong apat. Buuin niyo ang puzzle. So, you are all blindfolded. Okay, you are all four are blindfolded. Oy, ha, magpuntakpan sila, ha. Yung kamay. Okay? Sige, magtulong kayo. Help one another. Ingatan mahulog, ha? Ingatan mahulog. Sige. Okay, this is Kathleen. She is already in her fifth session. Ajira is in her second session. And Alan in his, and Ham in their 12th or 11th session today. So they are in different levels of brain activation, brain skills management activation training. So they are now completing the jigsaw puzzle in blindfolded condition. Okay? So they were all in blindfolded condition. Okay, may nahulog. Kukunin ko lang yung nahulog. Okay. Help each other, help each other. Support. Help each other. Be positive. Huwag magpagalingan. Help each other. Okay. Okay. Let Allen and Ham be the leader and support with Ajira and Kathleen. Okay. So they were all blindfolded, and they are solving the puzzle in blindfolded condition. Okay. Ham and Allen is the pilot. And Ashira and Kathleen are the helper. So, part of the team building activities in the brain management skills. Okay, are you finished? Are you finished? Okay, open your eyes. Okay, let me see. Wow, very good. Let me see. Are you okay? Let me see that one. Hirap sa akin. Up. Okay. Let me see that one. Okay. Anyway, at least, andyan na kayo. Okay? Okay ba? Okay, sit down. Okay, go back to your seats. Go back. Okay, clap your hands. You're very good. Sige, palapakan yung sarili niya. Okay, very good, very good. So, ito yung finished product nila. So, nagtatawanan sila. Bakit kaya? Tingnan ko mamaya. Okay.